Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather week ahead. And let's begin with a look at the latest drought monitor, which was released today. It does show worsening drought conditions, mainly over the northwestern half of the Arctic. You can see that 1 to 5 scale. We do have now level 4 drought, extreme drought, over most of northeast Texas, all of McCurtain County, as well as a small part of southwest Arkansas. A little bit improved conditions here, or at least less drought over the southeastern sections of the Arctic, which have received, this part of the Arctic has received a little bit more rainfall here the last couple of weeks. That's why the drought conditions not quite as bad there, although we have seen some worsening down towards Toledo Bend. We are looking at a chance for some rain over the next couple of days, and most of the rain looks like it's going to fall in this part of the Arctic near and north of Interstate 30. Let's take a look at the next couple of days here with Robbins Toyota FutureCast. And you can see as we progress our way through the nighttime hours tonight, we will stay mostly clear. Tomorrow we'll start to see those scattered showers and thunderstorms develop during the heat of the afternoon. You can see the flare-up of the thunderstorms, and notice where the main concentration and the increased numbers of those thunderstorms will occur near and north of Interstate 30. We will see the possibility for the more isolated shower or thunder shower over East Texas and northwest Louisiana, but again, the numbers of those storms should be quite a bit less over the southern half of the area. The rain likely will end Friday evening, and then heading into Saturday, we will see another flare-up of the scattered thunderstorms during the afternoon. A little bit better chance of seeing the scattered activity in northwest Louisiana and East Texas Saturday compared to what's expected tomorrow. But again, most of the heavier rains, you can see a little bit more widespread activity across the northern sections of the area for Saturday, and that rain more than likely will quickly dissipate as we go through Saturday evening and Saturday night, and then we kind of settle back into dry to close the weekend Sunday. Rainfall potential, and FutureCast is pretty much in line with most of the other high-resolution models, showing again a little bit more numbers of those pockets where we see that half an inch to over an inch near and north of Interstate 30. You can see that concentration here. This would be a location that could get an inch. This as well. Don't zero in too much on location of these little pockets. Obviously, it really depends on where those thunderstorms develop, but this basically tells us that that's going to be a possibility. In a few spots, we could see up to an inch. Notice further to the south, the rain will be much more isolated. We could have spots that stay totally dry through this period, and we could have a few spots that pick up that random quarter to a half an inch. But again, the heaviest rain and most widespread rain likely will fall over the northern sections of the area. Longer range, we're going to kind of settle back into mainly hot and dry. As you can see, the upper level trough, which is swinging across the northeastern sections of the country with that chance of rain Friday into Saturday. And then here comes the upper level ridge back that will shut off the rain probably Sunday and Monday and Tuesday. There is some indication we could see a little bit of a chance of rain Wednesday, Thursday, emphasis on little bit, but the ridge, you can still see it by the end of next week, will kind of settle back into the middle of the country, and that should pretty much eliminate the threat of anything significant as far as rain. Again, the random shower or thunderstorm will be possible, but those chances will be very similar to what we've seen here during the past couple of days. So your forecast for tonight is looking mostly clear. Temperatures across the Arctic will be warm and it will be muggy. Look for lows mainly in the mid to upper 70s, 78 degrees in Shreveport, 78 degrees tonight in Texarkana. Tomorrow we will see the partly cloudy sky, a few scattered thunder showers. Again, the chances will be highest over the northern sections of the area. You can see Idabel, DeQueen, 50% shot of rain, about a 20% chance in Shreveport, and maybe a little bit higher over the southern edge of the Arctic, as temperatures will kind of be in the mid to upper 90s for tomorrow. Not quite as hot, and it does look like we'll end the streak of 100-degree days tomorrow in Texarkana with a high of 98. Also looking at 98 for the high in Shreveport. 10-day forecast shows that we will see temperatures mainly in the low to middle 90s for Saturday. And then as we shut off the rain, we crank up the heat again as the upper 90s to near 100-degree temperatures during the day will return. to end the weekend and go through pretty much all of next week. Overnight lows will be in the mid to upper 70s. Again, I can't totally rule out the chance of rain on any particular day. Next week, it looks like a little bit better chance for that afternoon thunderstorm come Wednesday and Thursday. So all in all, drought conditions continue to worsen across especially the northwest half of the Arctic. And fortunately, that's part of the region which could see the better rainfall chances as we go through the next couple of days.